The sun dash during the day shines, will shining, shined, या have been shining. The sun shines during the day. Option A. The sun shines during the day. He used to visit us every week, but he rarely dash now. Came, come, comes, is coming. Option C. He used to visit us every week, but he rarely comes now. Spring dash come again. Will, has been, have been, is. Spring will come again. Spring will come again. He dashed for 5 weeks when they had to summon the doctor. Fasted, had been fasting, has been fasting, या has fasted. He had been fasting for 5 weeks when they had to summon the doctor. He had been fasting. My father dashed for office at 9 a.m. Delhi. Leaves, lives, live. My father leaves for office at 9 a.m. daily. They dash looking after orphans since 1980. Have been, were, are, had. They have been looking after orphans since 1980. I dash him yesterday. I dash him yesterday. Met, have met, would meet, या might meet. I met him yesterday. Option A. I met him yesterday. She broke down when she dashed the news. Had heard, was hearing, heard, was heard. She broke down when she heard the news. She broke down when she heard the news. I was sure that he dash succeed. Will, would, shall, should. I was sure that he would succeed. I was sure that he would succeed. It rained so hard that we dash not go out. Could, can, may, will. It rained so hard that we could not go out. We could not go out. He kept looking at her, wondering where he dashed her before. Had seen, have seen, was seeing. He kept looking at her, wondering where he had seen her before. Where he had seen her before. As soon as he dashed, he went for a walk. Eats, has eaten, had eaten, will eat. As soon as he had eaten, he went for a walk. As soon as he had eaten, he went for a walk. I dash on this project since yesterday. Was working, shall work, have been working. I have been working on this project since yesterday. I have been working. If you dash hard, you will drill the nail in. Will hit, are hitting, or have hit. If you hit hard, you will drill the nail in. I dash him next month. Had visited, have visited, shall visit, या visited. I shall visit him next month. I shall visit him next month. She dash your party if you had invited her. Would have gladly attended. Will gladly attend. Was to gladly attend. Would gladly attend. She would have gladly attended your party if you had invited her. She would have. I see a flat stretch of ground. I see a flat stretch of ground. Present simple, past simple, present perfect, present continuous. Present simple. I see a flat stretch of ground. Present simple tense. I get up early and eat my breakfast listening to the radio. I get up early and eat my breakfast listening to the radio. Present simple tense. Present simple. The Bible says love of money is the root of all evil. The Bible says love of money is the root of all evil. Present simple tense. Present simple. It was very cold that night. It was very cold that night. Past simple tense. Past simple. He was looking ill. He was looking ill. Past simple tense. Past. He was looking ill. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. सॉरी, इसका आंसर पास्ट कंटिन्यूस होगा. आई हैव नोटिस्ड दिस ट्रेट इन मैनी एक्टर्स. आई हैव नोटिस्ड दिस ट्रेट इन मैनी एक्टर्स. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. I have often criticized the standards of cleanliness in the trains in India. I have often criticized the standards of cleanliness in the trains in India. Present perfect tense. Present perfect. I am feeling tense and my head is aching. I am feeling tense and my head is aching. Present continuous tense. Present continuous. The doctor had been working alone. The doctor had been working alone. Past perfect continuous tense. The doctors had been working. Had been working means past perfect continuous. Honey is sweet. Honey is sweet. Present simple tense. Honey is sweet. Present simple tense. By the time he returned, I dashed 10 pages of my report. By the time he returned, I had typed 10 pages of my report. It dash when I got up. It dash when I got up. Isn't, wasn't raining, was not rain, not raining. It was not raining when I got up. It was not raining. 2 and 2 make 4. 2 and 2 make 4. What's that terrible noise? The neighbors had been having a party. What's that terrible noise? The neighbors are having a party. The neighbors are having a party. What's that terrible noise? The neighbors are having a party. Unless you apologize, I will punish you. Unless you apologize, I will punish you. Unless you apologize, I will punish you. Ram dash classes regularly since July. Attended, had attended, has been attending, attends. Ram has been attending classes regularly since July. Ram has been attending. Camels are peculiarly dash life in a desert. Camels are peculiarly adapted to life in a desert. Adapted to life in a desert. Dash when a policeman knocked at the door. Scarcely had he gone, scarcely did he go, scarcely would, scarcely had he gone. Scarcely had he gone when a policeman knocked at the door. Scarcely had he gone when a policeman knocked at the door. He helped him more than he dashed his own children. He helped him more than he helps his own children. He helps his own children. When I opened the door, I saw a man on his knees. He had been listening to our conversation, and I wondered how much he heard. Option D. Choose the correct sentence in the following. The quality of the mangoes was not good. Time and tide waits for none. The horse and carriage are at the door. The horse and carriage is at the door. The horse and carriage is at the door. Yesterday she dashed TV at this time. Yesterday she was watching TV at this time. She was watching. Which part in the following sentence is wrong? Ram told me that he does not know me. Ram told me that he did not know me. He did not. Does not की जगह did not आएगा. Death rates from cancer dash fallen in the past 20 years. Death rates from cancer have fallen in the past 20 years. Death rates from cancer have fallen in the past 20 years. He went to the mall dash to have seen you, seeing you, to seeing you, या to see you. He went to the mall to see you. He went to the mall to see you. My friend dash for me since 2 o'clock. My friend has been waiting. My friend has been waiting for me since 2 o'clock. By Diwali, I dash working in the office for 10 years. By Diwali, I shall have been working in the office for 10 years. By Diwali, I shall have been working in the office for 10 years. The bird dash for 5 years. The bird dash for 5 years. The bird has been flying for 5 years. The bird has been flying for 5 years. She will dash my book on grammar. She will break with my book on grammar. She will break with. She will break with my book on grammar. The principal dash nice person. The principal is a nice person. The principal is a nice person. He dash for America next year. He dash for America next year. He is leaving for America next year. He is leaving for America next year. He dash his boy to ride. He dash his boy to ride. He is teaching his boy to ride. He is teaching his boy to ride. It is 14 years since I dash him. Had seen, see, saw, seeing. Saw. It is 14 years since I saw him. It is 14 years since I saw him. The roads were muddy. It dash all night. The roads were muddy. It had been raining all night. The roads were muddy. It had been raining all night. I dash wear my sunglasses today because the sun is very strong. I am wearing my sunglasses today because the sun is very strong. Sita dashed the match yesterday. Won, win, has won, had won. Sita won the match yesterday. Won. Identify the tense. I have lived 20 years in Lucknow. I have lived. Present perfect tense. Present perfect. He is writing a letter. Present continuous. The roses in your garden are beautiful. The roses in your garden are beautiful. Present simple tense. I had never been visited by him before. I had never been. Had never been visited. Past perfect tense. He dashed to Kolkata yesterday. He dashed to Kolkata yesterday. He went to Kolkata yesterday. He went. On the basis of the given sentence, pick out the correct sentence converted in the future tense from the given options. A few scholars will left Karachi for abroad. A few scholars shall leave Karachi for abroad. A few scholars will leave Karachi for abroad. A few scholars leave Karachi for abroad. A few scholars will leave Karachi for abroad. Will leave होगा. Will leave. When Mrs. Singh dashed the baby cry, she ran to pick him up. When Miss Singh heard When Miss Singh heard the baby cry, she ran to pick him up. I dash a car last month. Bought. I bought a car last month. I bought a car last month. At that time, he had been writing a novel for 2 months. At that time, he had been writing past perfect continuous. Perfect continuous tense. The chief guest with his wife The chief guest with his wife has left. The chief guest with the chief guest with his wife has left. Measles dash an infectious disease. Measles Measles is an infectious disease. Is आएगा. Measles is. My friend and his father are meeting us tomorrow. My friend and his father are meeting us tomorrow. The verb phrase have come in the clause many doctors have come to the conclusion. Many doctors have come to the conclusion. Present perfect tense. Many doctors have come. Present perfect tense. Which of the following is correct? I hope he will succeed in his work. I hope he will succeed in his work is correct. Pick out the correct verb form. She was walking along the road when she dashed him. She was walking along the road when she was meeting him. She was walking along the road when she met him. She met him. She was walking along the road when she met him. Met आएगा. She dashed the right answer. She knows the right answer. She knows the right answer. The obligatory element of the auxiliary is tense. The obligatory element of the auxiliary is tense. The most irregular verb in English is seem. The most irregular verb in English is seem. She dashed the best apples from the basket. She dashed the best apples from the basket. She chose. Option B. She chose the best apples from the basket. I ran as fast as I dash. I ran as fast as I could. I ran as fast as I could. No sooner did the train dash at the platform than the passengers rushed towards it. No sooner did the train arrive. No sooner did the train arrive at the platform than the passengers rushed towards it. Much dash since they were here last. Much dash since they were here last. Much has happened. Much has happened. Much has happened since they were here last. He dashed to the teacher about his homework. He dashed. He lied to the teacher. He lied to the teacher about his homework. The prisoner was dashed to death. The prisoner was dashed to death. Hung, hanging, hanged. Hanged. The prisoner was hanged to death. One of my books dash missing. One of my books is missing. One of my books is missing. The bell dash at regular intervals. The bell rings at regular intervals. The bell rings at regular intervals. The bus was dash apart by the blast. The bus was dash apart by the blast. Torn. The bus was torn apart by the blast. The bus was torn apart by the blast. I tried to learn English for years, but I dash. I tried to learn English for years, but I have not succeeded. I have not succeeded. I tried to learn English for years, but I have not succeeded.